All right, ladies and gentlemen, time to put on something that feels good. We're going to be dancing to Bessie Smith. Let's start with just some heel taps. Now, as you do it, feel the hips move. Now, we're just going to take our palms and place them, flex the hands. We're going to start to drag it up. Now, as you get to about your rib cage area, I want you to turn your hands in and keep going. Once you get to the neck, wrap around the neck and end up on the head. We're going to be trying that again. Keep it tapping. Let the hips rock. Here we go. And slide up. Now turn them in. Cup around to the head. Keep them on the head. Now we're going to start to do some hip rolls from here. So now I'm feeling both heels. Click, click, click. Now if you want, you can start to throw the hip, accent it forward in that hip thrust. Rock it here. We're going to start to walk around with the same rhythm, same thrust. Bend those knees. The more you bend the knees, the more you can get some hip grinds. Keep it going around. Keep it going with the hips. Let's bring hands up, down, whatever feels good to you. Let's go back with the hips and slap, drag it up. Bend those knees, grind the hips, cup around the head. Now move it around. Try to make it a little bit grittier this time. Work it around. Bring the hands up and loop them down. Now imagine your back is to someone and they're checking you off the back. You can start to do the same thing but up the back. And then just straight up. Now come down one side and snap. Bring it up and now bring the left hand down. Keep the hips and up. She must have gone and tried it too. And down. Nice.